I'm fixing to mow the rest of this grass with this here mower. It's a Greenworks, and it's really awesome. It is so easy, and it does a great job. Now I know you can't hardly even see out here how great a job it's done, but well, you still can't see like that either. Okay, well, here, I'll take you back here so you can see how much better it does. I got a pretty big yard for, you know, a neighborhood yard. Okay, see, this is the part I've done mowed, and this is the part that ain't mowed. Okay, so like, see, so it's pretty, it's tall in spaces. I mean, it really is. I mean, some of this has got to be weed-eated, but like this here, see how big this is? This is pretty big, if y'all can see that or not, but it is pretty, it's pretty tall. It really is. But anyway, okay, so I'm fixing to mow, and I just want y'all to see how good this thing works. I love this mower. Now, it's kind of a pain only because of the logistics of the cord. But once you get the logistics of the cord in order, in your, you know, so that you can do it, then it's a breeze. I mean, a real breeze. Okay, let's see if I can show y'all how to do this and hold the phone at the same time. Y'all know I can't do too many things at one time. Okay, here we go. Now this thing, oh Lord, okay. This is how easy it cranks, y'all. You pull this thing down. No, you don't. Okay. You push this here button, and then you pull this. So anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show you how that little thing works. It works like a champ. So anyway, I just want to give a good review on this little thing. It just works great, and it's very easy, very, very easy, and very lightweight. And you can adjust the settings. I got it on the lowest one, which is plenty good enough for my yard. You can see way on out there, that part's been cut and this part hadn't. But anyway, just saying.